Strawberry legs. It's a term that might sound amusing at first, but for those who experience it, it can be a source of frustration and self-consciousness. It's a funny name for a common skin concern. The term strawberry legs refers to the appearance of small dark spots on the skin, particularly after shaving. Have you ever noticed small dark spots on your legs after shaving? These spots can be quite noticeable and may resemble the seeds on a strawberry. These spots can look like tiny black dots, almost like the seeds on a strawberry. This is why the condition is commonly referred to as strawberry legs. This is what we call strawberry legs. The dark spots are actually open comedones, which are hair follicles or pores clogged with oil, bacteria, and dead skin. Strawberry legs are not a serious medical condition. They are simply a cosmetic concern that can make some people feel self-conscious about their appearance. They are simply a cosmetic concern that can make some people feel self-conscious. The good news is that there are several ways to address and reduce the appearance of these dark spots. But don't worry, there are many things you can do to minimize their appearance. Regular exfoliation, moisturizing, and proper shaving techniques can all help. The good news is that strawberry legs are usually temporary and treatable. With consistent care, you can see a significant improvement in the texture and appearance of your skin. By understanding the causes and following some simple tips, you can achieve smoother, more confident legs. Embrace your skin and take steps to care for it, and you'll be ready to show off your legs with pride. So what causes those pesky strawberry legs? The most common culprit is clogged pores. Our skin has tiny holes called pores. When these pores get clogged with dirt, oil, and dead skin cells, it can lead to strawberry legs. Another common cause is dry skin. When your skin is dry, it can emphasize the appearance of pores, making them more noticeable. This is especially true after shaving, as shaving can further dry out your skin. Other factors that can contribute to strawberry legs include improper shaving techniques, using harsh hair removal products, and certain skin conditions like keratosis pilaris. One of the best ways to prevent and treat strawberry legs is through regular exfoliation. Exfoliating helps to remove dead skin cells and unclog pores, preventing those pesky dark spots from forming. You can exfoliate your legs using a gentle scrub or a loofah. Be sure to use circular motions and avoid scrubbing too hard, as this can irritate your skin. For a DIY approach, try mixing sugar with honey or coconut oil for a natural exfoliating scrub. Exfoliate your legs 2 to 3 times a week for best results. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to achieving smooth, radiant skin. Section 4. Moisturizing for smooth skin. Moisturizing is another crucial step in preventing and treating strawberry legs. Keeping your skin hydrated helps to minimize the appearance of pores and keeps your skin looking plump and healthy. After showering or bathing, apply a good quality moisturizer to your legs. Look for moisturizers that contain hydrating ingredients like hyaluronic acid, shea butter, or ceramides. For an extra boost of hydration, consider using a heavier cream or body butter, especially during the drier months. Remember, well-hydrated skin is less prone to irritation and dryness, which can contribute to strawberry legs. Section 5. Shaving techniques to prevent irritation. Believe it or not, the way you shave can also impact the appearance of strawberry legs. Strawberry legs are those dark spots that appear on your skin, often caused by clogged pores or hair follicles. Using improper shaving techniques can lead to ingrown hairs, razor burn, and further irritate your skin, making those dark spots more prominent. It's essential to adopt the right methods to ensure a smooth and irritation-free shave. Always shave with a sharp razor and shave in the direction of hair growth to prevent ingrown hairs. A dull razor can tug at the hair and skin, causing more irritation and increasing the risk of cuts. Avoid pressing too hard with the razor, as this can also irritate the skin. Gentle strokes are more effective and safer for your skin. Using a shaving cream or gel can help to lubricate the skin and prevent razor burn. These products create a barrier between the razor and your skin, reducing friction and the likelihood of cuts. After shaving, rinse your legs with cool water and pat them dry with a soft towel. Cool water helps to close the pores and soothe the skin. Avoid rubbing your legs, as this can irritate the skin. Instead, gently pat them dry to maintain the skin's natural moisture and prevent any post-shave irritation. Section 6. Professional treatments for stubborn cases. If you're struggling with persistent strawberry legs, there are professional treatments that can help. Chemical peels, laser hair removal, and intense pulsed light therapy are some options that can address the underlying causes of strawberry legs. These treatments are designed to target the root of the problem, providing more lasting results compared to over-the-counter solutions. Chemical peels use a solution to remove the top layer of skin, unclogging pores and improving skin texture. This process can help to reduce the appearance of dark spots and smooth out rough patches, giving your skin a more even tone. Laser hair removal targets the hair follicles, reducing hair growth and minimizing the appearance of ingrown hairs. This method is particularly effective for those who have thick or coarse hair that contributes to the strawberry leg appearance. IPL therapy uses broad-spectrum light to target pigmented areas, such as the dark spots associated with strawberry legs. This treatment can also help to reduce redness and inflammation, making your skin look clearer and more radiant. These treatments can be effective, but it's important to consult with a qualified dermatologist to discuss the best options for your skin type and concerns. A professional can provide personalized advice and ensure that the treatment plan is safe and effective for you. Always follow their guidance and recommendations for the best results. Section 7. Embrace smooth, confident legs. Strawberry legs are a common concern, but they don't have to hold you back from feeling confident in your own skin. By understanding the causes and following the tips outlined above, you can minimize their appearance and enjoy smooth, radiant legs. Remember to exfoliate regularly, moisturize diligently, and use proper shaving techniques. If home remedies aren't providing the desired results, don't hesitate to seek professional help. Embrace your skin and remember that true beauty lies in feeling comfortable and confident in your own body. So go ahead, flaunt those gorgeous legs with pride.